Students, I start today free radical anti-Markovnikov's addition reaction. There are two terms, Markovnikov's addition reaction and anti-Markovnikov addition reaction. Markovnikov addition reaction is a ionic reaction which proceeds through a ionic intermediate, while anti-Markovnikov addition reaction proceeds through a free radical intermediate. In both of the cases, we get the different product. Say for example, addition on propene by HBr in absence of peroxide. It means no peroxide gives the product. This comes over here and this part goes over here. We get the product CH3 CHBr CH3 2-bromopropane. This addition product is Markovnikov's addition product. That is negative part. This is negative part and this is the positive part. Negative part adds to that carbon atom which carries lesser number of hydrogen atom, and the positive part goes to that double bonded carbon atom which carries greater number of hydrogen atom. The addition product is 2-bromopropane. This product is named as Markovnikov's addition product. When we change the system or when we start the reaction with same substrate and adding molecule in presence of peroxide, we get different product CH3 CH2 CH2Br in presence of peroxide. Addition takes place like that. This Br goes over here and this hydrogen atom goes over here. Negatively charged bromine atom goes to that double bonded carbon atom which carries larger number of hydrogen atom. But in this case, the negative part goes to that carbon which carries lesser number of hydrogen atom. So it is the reverse addition. This is the reverse addition. This is negative part and this is the positive part. This product is 1-bromopropane. 1-bromopropane. This is anti-Markovnikov's addition product. Anti-Markovnikov's addition product. Anti-Markovnikov's addition product. This is the reverse addition. The reverse addition the reverse addition product formed due to presence of presence of peroxide, hence it is called peroxide effect or Kharis effect. This reverse addition product formed due to presence of peroxide, hence it is called peroxide effect or Kharis effect. The name Kharis, it is the name of the scientist F.W. Mayo and M.S. Kharis. M.S. Kharis discovered this effect. Product is different in both cases, Markovnikov addition product and anti-Markovnikov addition product. The product in both of the cases are different, so the mechanism of formation will be certainly different. Markovnikov's addition product is obtained through a carbocation intermediate. Markovnikov's addition product is obtained through a carbocation intermediate. Mechanism is ionic. While anti-Markovnikov product is obtained through a free radical intermediate. So the mechanism is free radical mechanism. Mechanism is free radical mechanism. Markovnikov addition product is obtained through carbocation intermediate. Carbocation is an ion, so the mechanism is ionic. While anti-Markovnikov product is obtained through a free radical mechanism, so obtained through a free radical intermediate, so mechanism is free radical mechanism. Now see the mechanism pattern. Ionic mechanism. The starting material is propene and the addendum is HBr. So HBr breaks up into HBr dissociates into, this is minus this one, this is proton electrophile. So it is electrophilic addition reaction. So first stage is addition of H plus ion. You add on this carbon CH3 CH3, and in other case you add on this carbon. So this is CH3 CH2 CH2. This is carbocation. This is 1 degree carbocation. This is 2 degree carbocation. This is more stable. This carbocation is less stable. So it is the electrophilic addition of, this is the electrophilic addition reaction. This is electrophile. Proton, it is electrophile. Electrophilic addition reaction. This is your propene. Secondly, bromine now attacks on the carbocation center. This is fast. This step is slow. So reaction is CHBr CH3. This is 2-bromopropane. It is Markovnikov product. Markovnikov's product. In second case, it reacts with this fast, so it gives you product CH2Br. So this is anti-Markovnikov product. This is anti-Markovnikov product. So out of these two patterns, right hand side proton attacks, 2 degree carbocation is obtained, then it is attacked by bromide fastly, giving 2-bromopropane. Now we have to see which product is correct or this product is correct. So this product is not preferred. Why not preferred? Because this is 2 degree carbocation is more stable and 1 degree carbocation is less stable. So this carbocation is preferred. Intermediate is preferred. So through a preferred intermediate, the resulting product is 2-bromopropane. So it is the preferred product. So this mechanism is not correct. Now cancel it. You also cancel it. This mechanism is correct. So in this way we prove the validity of Markovnikov's rule. In this way we prove the validity of Markovnikov's rule. The Markovnikov's rule is that rule through which or an addition product formed through a more stable carbocation is preferred. So now this is the ionic mechanism. Electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic addition reaction. Because in first stage or in first step, proton, which is electrophile, attacks on propene, gives you 2 degree carbocation intermediate. This 2 degree carbocation is the reaction intermediate. RI reaction intermediate. Now free radical mechanism. free radical mechanism. In presence of peroxide, this is reactant. Peroxide say this is alkyl peroxide. Alkyl peroxide gives you CH3, CS2, CS2Br. This is the addition product, Markovnikov addition product. No, anti-Markovnikov addition product. Anti-Markovnikov's addition product. Mechanism of the reaction completes in several steps. So mechanism: completes in 4 steps. Step 1: dissociation or homolytic dissociation, homolysis of RO, this bond, O bond, homolysis of peroxide gives 2 alkoxide free radical. Gives 2 alkoxide free radical. This is RO, this one. 1 electron goes over here, 1 electron goes over here. This is single arrow is represented alkoxide free radical. Alkoxide free radical. This initiates the reaction. This is endothermic process. Delta H is equal to plus 150 kilojoule per mole. Energy is given 150 kilojoule per mole. Step 2: alkoxide free radical. Alkoxide free radical abstracts H atom from HBr and generates bromine free radical or bromine atom. So reaction is or HBr. So this part or OH plus bromine atom or free radical. It contains unpaired electron. So it is bromine atom or bromine free radical. Bromine atom free radical. Step third. The bromine free radical adds to pi bond of propene and generates a stable free radical intermediate. Free radical intermediate as bromine free radical adds to pi bond of propene and generates a stable free radical intermediate as CH3 CH CH2. This bromine free radical generates if it comes over here, and it goes over here. So what will happen? CH3 CH CH2 Br 2 degree free radical reaction intermediate. 2 degree free radical reaction intermediate. In second case, this comes over here, and this goes over here. So another reaction free intermediate is CHBr CH2. This is 1 degree free radical. 1 degree free radical reaction intermediate. So these are the two reaction intermediates. This is more stable and this is less stable. More stable and this is less stable. A more stable reaction intermediate is preferred because it is more readily formed in the reaction. So it is correct, yeah, preferred, and this is not preferred. So this is preferred reaction intermediate. The fourth, the bromine free radical adds to pi bond of propene and generates a stable free radical intermediate as. So this is the 2 degree free radical reaction intermediate, and this is 1 degree free radical reaction intermediate. This is preferred and this is not preferred. The reaction intermediate, the so formed preferred reaction intermediate is reacts with HBr and gives the final product. The so formed preferred reaction intermediate reacts with HBr and gives the final product. CH3 CH2 Br plus HBr is 2 degree. It comes over here and one goes to over here. So the product is CH3 CH2 CH2Br plus bromine atom, and reaction goes on and so on. This product is anti-Markovnikov addition product. 1 bromopropane, that is anti-Markovnikov addition product. So this is the mechanism, this is the free radical mechanism for the formation of anti-Markovnikov addition product. Step third and fourth both are exothermic steps, that is enthalpy change is minus 25 kilojoule per mole. So free radical mechanism involves endothermic as well as exothermic steps. So step 3 and 4 both are exothermic steps, which is equal to minus 25 kilojoule per mole. So this is very important part of the chemistry for those students who are preparing for NEET and JEE Mains examinations. Very important for those. In this connection, I put some problem before you, and you are allowed to ask, you are allowed to give the answer. Complete the reaction in the form of question. Complete the reaction. Complete the reaction. This is one. Now A. This is unsymmetrical alkene. Unsymmetrical alkene allowed to react with bromine in presence of alkyl peroxide. What will be the reaction product? This addition reaction is taking place in presence of a peroxide, hence it is anti-Markovnikov addition reaction. This is hint. The reaction taking place in presence of peroxide, so it is definitely Anti-Markov's addition reaction. How to answer the question? This addition reaction will proceed through free radical intermediate. This is first hint. Second hint, it passes through a more stable free radical reaction intermediate. These are the two hints. Reaction taking place in presence of peroxide, so it is definitely anti-Markov's addition reaction. Number 2, it passes through a more stable free radical reaction intermediate. So I should try to write the mechanism of this reaction. So write the mechanism. It has 4 steps. So step first, formation of alkoxy radical. This is homolytic fission 2RO free radical. Step 2, formation of bromine free radical. Bromine free radical from HBr and RO. Formation of alkoxy radical, this is first step. Second step, formation of bromine free radical from HBr and alkoxy radical. Like that, this alkoxy radical reacts with HBr. It goes over here. So this part goes over homolysis. So it is ROH plus bromine free radical. Step 3, addition of bromine free radical on the pi bond to generate a more stable free radical intermediate. Step 3, addition of bromine free radical on the pi bond to generate a more stable free radical intermediate. I can write like this. This is pi bond. If this bromine free radical couples with this carbon atom or with this, yeah, then it will give CH Br. In second case, it may couple this way. It may couple with this electron, so the free radical intermediate will be CH Br CH. This is 2 degree radical, 2 degree radical and free radical. Again this is 2 degree radical. This radical is conjugated. This radical is conjugated to pi bond, so it is more stable, and this is not conjugated with the pi bond. This free radical is not conjugated with the pi bond, so it is less stable. So more stable free radical is preferred. So this is preferred and this is not preferred. This is preferred intermediate. Preferred reaction intermediate. Now fourth step is the resulting reaction intermediate. The resulting free radical intermediate now reacts with HBr to give final product. HBr. This is homolytic fission. Gives you PS2 plus bromine free radical. This is the final product, addition product. In this example, the starting alkene is unsymmetrical, note point. Starting alkene is unsymmetrical but carries equal number of hydrogen atoms, H atoms bonded to double bonded carbon atom, double bonded carbon atoms. Starting alkene is unsymmetrical but carries equal number of hydrogen atoms bonded to double bonded carbon atoms. Secondly, it is unsymmetrical. It is unsymmetrical because it has cyclohexyl group on one side and phenyl group on the other side. The most important point regarding the addition reaction of alkene with HBr in presence of peroxide is that, again note 2, the addition of HF, HCl and HI on propene even in presence of peroxide, even in presence of a peroxide, always gives Markovnikov's addition product. So CH3, CS2, if you add HI in presence of peroxide, HI, HCl, HF, whatever it may be, it gives Markovnikov addition product. IClF. If HCl is taken, so it will be Cl. If HF is taken, it will be F. So this is the Markovnikov's addition product. Note 3. It is only the HBr. Which gives anti-Markovnikov addition product. This is important for NEET students and JEE Mains and for other competitive examinations. Thank you.